of mine about 3 to 4 day old curls, and I'm gonna go ahead and retwist this bad boy up so I can get my hair popping, you dig? Okay, so to start this video off, I'm gonna go in with my Curls Unleashed, and this is definitely a Holy Girl product, and on the plus side, it smells so freaking good. Like, I know y'all see that face. You have to go cop this. I get it from Walmart for about $7 to $8, really cheap, so definitely go try that out. I'm going to need a brush, some clips when I section my hair off, and I'm also going to need some perm rods. I'm using the purple ones. You can use any size you want. These are just the ones that I had on hand. Okay, so to start this video off, I'm going to part my hair in 4 sections. They don't have to be even or perfect. I just part it down the middle with my fingers and then part it side to side with my fingers. After that, I'm going to take the 2 back sections and split them into 3 subsections. Within each subsection, I'm going to do 2 two-strand twists. So hopefully what I said makes sense. If not, you'll be able to see it in just a second. So I'm going to start off by detangling my hair in each subsection, of course. Start from the bottom and work my way up. And now I'm just going to go in with some of my Curls Unleashed, and I'm going to use about a quarter size amount for each section. Rub that all the way through. If you need any more, of course, you can always go in and add it. I do go in and add some more at some sections just because it does dry out quickly in my hair. And I'm just going to take each section, like I said, split it in 2, and I'm going to 2-strand twist it all the way down. Nothing special. 2-strand twist, curl the ends with my finger, and keep it moving. So again, like I said, the 2 back sections will be split into 3 subsections. Each subsection will have 2 two-strand twists. And now on my second section, I'm going to just detangle that from the bottom to the top, add some of my Curls Unleashed, split it into 2 sections and 2-strand twists, and make sure you coil the ends of your twist so that you can get that nice little curl all the way through. Okay, so now that I'm on the last section, in the first section of the back of my head, that is what it looks like. Nothing perfect. Your roots don't have to be tight at all. I just went ahead and went off camera and finished the other back section in one of the front sections so that way this video wouldn't be super long. Okay, so this is how my hair is looking right now. Like I said, nothing perfect. It looked like little doo-doo twists, but that's okay. As long as the mid shaft to the ends is twisted, you will be perfectly fine. like I said before, nothing too special, just 2-strand twists all the way down. Again, the twists don't have to be super tight because you're going to end up picking out your roots anyway, which is why I don't really care for them to be that defined. If I really wanted my roots to be super defined and I wanted the look to last me a while, then I may flat twist it, but this usually lasts me about a week, and it doesn't take that long for me to twist it at night, so it's not that big of a deal. Alright, so now I'm on the last twist in the front section, and again, like I said, make sure the front sections fall forward to create that bang if that is what you want. And now this is where the perm rods come into place, but hold up, let me retwist that front twist because it's looking a little janky. Cannot have that. Detangle, girl, come on, let's go, hurry it up. P.S. If you like this eyeshadow, go check out my last video. Okay, so here's where the perm rods come into play. I take one twist from the bottom subsection and one twist from the top subsection, and I just roll that right on up, kind of like in a wand formation, wand, whatever you want to call it. And I roll it about halfway, not all the way. Like I said, the roots don't have to be tight. I just do this because my hair in the front obviously is not cut into a bang and it is too long. And this is how it looks, little doodle twist. I'm about to go to sleep and I will see y'all in the morning. Well, good morning, sunshine. This is how my hair looks after I have slept on it. I did put a scarf on the top of my hair just to lay down the front twist and a bonnet. That was about it. I'm going to go ahead and just separate each twist. All I do is twist it the opposite way so that I don't have to create a lot of frizz, and I separate the 2 strands. So now, as you can see, I've already separated one half of my head in the back, and now I'm just going back and separating the other half. I do not, well, I'm not very particular about frizz. I don't mind it. I love big hair, so there are going to be some spots where you see me separating it where it doesn't naturally separate, but that's just my prerogative. So if want to keep it a little bit longer or don't want that big poofy hair or don't like the frizz, then you can just separate it where it naturally separates and go on about your day, honey. Okay, so before I separate the front 2 sections, I'm going to go ahead and start picking out the back of my hair. Just going to try to eliminate the part I created with my hand, going down the middle, and of course getting my hair as big as it can get. Like I said, I love big hair. The bigger the better. So that is what I'm doing before I do the front 2 sections. Alright, so now I'm onto the front 2 sections. I'm just going to take those perm rods out and begin separating those twists just like I did the back, twisting it the opposite way or pulling it apart very gently and separating it. Again, I don't always separate it just where it naturally separates. I do go in and separate it a little bit more if I feel like the section may be too big for my liking. Okay, I'm done separating all of the twists in my head, and now I'm going in and I'm just going to keep picking and picking and picking and picking wood, picking wood, picking wood. Okay, I'm gonna keep picking until I get my hair as big as I want it to be. And when I pick my hair out, I do not just pick it anywhere. I try to pick it only at the root so I don't lose my curl. And of course, time to add some accessories. I'm going to put on the big hoop earrings. And of course, I'm going to keep going back and forth, messing with it, fluffing it out with my fingers, fluffing it out with my pick, just until I get my desired look. Pick, pick, pick. Mess, mess, mess. You know, all the things that we do to get ready. So finally, I am done picking my hair out, and here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give my video a big thumbs up, and you already know how it goes. Join the gang and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video. Toodles!